The Dow came up today after the reversal type signal in the oversold condition on Friday, but notice what happened. They still failed here at the T-line. That final confirmation there's been a reversal has not been confirmed yet, so we still have to consider we're in a downtrend, probably still drifting down until the Dow actually bobs up off the 50-day moving average. That same scenario happened in the Nasdaq. Notice on Friday we had a piercing signal in the oversold area. Remember, a piercing signal has to open below any of the previous day's trading and close more than halfway up this candle. For Japanese rice traders, the halfway point is very important, because if the bulls can close more than halfway up this candle on a sell or a buy signal, that means the bulls are now in control. As we saw in the positive trading today, the Nasdaq came right up to the T-line and failed. So until we can see enough bullish confirmation where they can close above the T-line, we still have to assume our downtrend is in progress. Unfortunately, this doesn't show the bullish flutter kicker. The other charts show that there was kind of a doji day on Friday, and that it actually opened down here and traded up. So this is the difference between the feeds on some charts. However, a bullish flutter kicker is when they gap up above the bearish candle, above the previous day's open, and do a doji type day. Then remember, there's very simple rules about a doji, that the price is usually going to move in the direction of how they open it after a doji. So a positive open moves this positive, which means if you took out the doji day, you essentially have a kicker signal, which is your strongest reversal signal. That same scenario can be seen in the SPPI chart. It traded positive today, but did a doji type day, which puts us in the same parameters. A positive open tomorrow, which means it's going to move in the direction of how they open it after a doji, could produce another big day. Now essentially you have a kicker signal, which we call a double doji or double flutter kicker signal. Remember, if you took out these little flutters after another nice big bullish candle, you essentially have a kicker signal. This is what puts investors in the right place at the right time. And as can be seen in our live cattle trade, there was a double bottom here. There was your bullish harami telling you the selling has stopped, failed at the T-line, came back and did a morning star signal with an inverted hammer, started trading positive, a close above the T-line. We took some profits today because we had some big profits, especially on this gap up. We can always buy back in if they start trading above the high of today, which tells you today's profit taking is over. We're heading for our next target. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.